पूरी शान शौकत के साथ तेलंगाना हर जगह सरफहरिस्त हो रहा है और तेलंगाना के सीएम केसीआर का सर फख्र से ऊंचा दिखाई दे रहा है। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े मल्टी स्टेज लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट कालेश्वरम प्रोजेक्ट पर ये समेटने वाली वीडियो देखिए। इस यादगार कोशिश ने लाखों लोगों की जिंदगियों को बदलने में अहम किरदार अदा किया है। कालेश्वरम प्रोजेक्ट के विजन और असरात से मुतासिर होने के लिए इस वीडियो को तैयार किया गया है। इस वीडियो को जरूर देखें। ये वीडियो काबिले सताइश की बाइस है।
Here is an untold story from India. How a young state has transformed the lives of its people. With highest per capita income, second largest contributor of rice, and the only state to provide free drinking water, Telangana, a trailblazer state, moving ahead with unparalleled growth. However, this was not the case when Telangana was formed in 2014. It was an arid region where lakes were dry, the wells were empty, and most people had no access to safe drinking water. The water crisis reached a dire situation. Groundwater levels hit rock bottom. Desperation drove farmers to drill many borewells that failed, making them take huge financial burden, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Where 55% of the population depended on agriculture, this had a direct impact on the socio-economic growth of the region. As the leader of the Telangana statehood movement and the first elected chief minister, K. Chandrasekhar Rao had an uphill battle to transform Telangana's fate. The state is on the Deccan Plateau, where River Godavari flows at a lower elevation, and every year most of the water goes into the sea, untapped, unutilized, leaving behind the state dry. In order to solve the decades-old water problem, KCR took up the role of a chief architect, donned the hat of an engineer, went against the naysayers, broke conventions to devise the Kaleshwaram multi-stage lift irrigation project, the first of its kind in India, making it the world's largest. Kaleshwaram project lifts the river water from an elevation of 90 meters to 680 meters above sea level and then uses gravity to irrigate the parched uplands through a system of canals and reservoirs. Today, Kaleshwaram project stands as an engineering marvel that is a testament to human ingenuity and the enterprising nature of the people of Telangana. This colossal endeavor was completed in a record span of just 4 years with an investment of $11 billion. Nothing so ambitious has ever been built in the world of lift irrigation. To get a perspective of the scale of this mega structure, one needs to take a look at the various components of this project. The amount of earth moved would fill 101 pyramids of Giza. The steel used would build 66 Eiffel Towers, and the concrete poured would erect 53 Burj Khalifas. Kaleshwaram boasts the world's largest pump house, Asia's biggest surge pool, and India's biggest artificial reservoir. Kaleshwaram delivers 240 TMC of water, benefiting 25 million people. It irrigates 9 million acres as 2 cropping cycles, contributing to the green revolution in Telangana, making it the new rice bowl of India. Kaleshwaram multi-stage lift irrigation project, thus having solved Telangana's water problems, is now playing an instrumental role in boosting the 5 revolutions in agriculture and allied sectors, enhancing the overall socio-economic profile of rural Telangana. Kaleshwaram project is a testament to a leader's relentless pursuit and unwavered commitment. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, by lifting a river against all odds, has uplifted millions of lives and livelihoods in Telangana.